Mendeleev's periodic table, while revolutionary in its time, had several limitations. 1. Gaps and inconsistencies. Some elements didn't fit into Mendeleev's arrangement, leading to gaps and inconsistencies in the table. 2. Position of isotopes. Mendeleev's table didn't account for isotopes, elements with the same atomic number but different atomic masses. Isotopes weren't discovered until later. 3. Predictive capability. While Mendeleev successfully predicted the existence and properties of undiscovered elements, his table couldn't explain the underlying reasons behind the periodicity of elements. 4. Position of hydrogen. Mendeleev placed hydrogen separately from other alkali metals, which led to some confusion because hydrogen shares properties with both alkali metals and halogens. 5. Transition metals. Mendeleev's table didn't explicitly separate transition metals, which exhibit similar chemical properties but are spread across multiple rows. 6. Noble gases. The noble gases weren't discovered until after Mendeleev's time, so they were not included in his classification.